MOOE, alam mo yan, ilagay na natin sa layman's language, our office expenses. Bawat buwan, ang bawat senador binibigyan ng 2.2 million.
Every month.
Every month.
So you receive 2.2 M also every month.
Right,
You
me.
okay? Your office.
My office.
Yeah, but your salary is something like 75,000.
75,000.
Okay, I know that. Yeah.
I get 2.2 million.
Every month.
I am required by the budget office to spend 1/2 of that on personal services, meaning to say, pang sweldo ko sa staff ko. Hindi nila kinakuha ang sweldo nila sa Senate.
Not sa Senate, sa office mo.
That's right.
Per senator.
That's right. Kaya, nasa sa senador yun kung ilang tao ang susweldohan
Kung
niya.
maliit ka magsweldo o malaki ka
That's right.
magsweldo.
At saka ikaw mag-determine kung ano ang sweldo ng bawat isa.
Okay.
Ngayon, 2.2 million na yan, kalahati para sa sweldo.
Net to, yung 2.2, net na?
Oh,
net. Okay.
2.2.
Alright.
Pagkatapos, ang kalahati niyan, dapat gastusin mo sa rental mo sa opisina. Kung wala kang, kasi may mga opisina kami sa Senado, maliliit na mga kwarto yon, hindi kasya. For example, in my case, I always have a staff of maybe 30 to 40. Ngayon, kung meron kang natawag na satellite office, in addition, dagdag pa yon sa opisina mo sa Senado, binapayagan kang mag-upa.
Okay.
Some of us rent, but some of us don't.
So you rent?
I rent.
Okay.
Tapos, sa MOOE na yan, bayaran mo ang renta mo, ang tubig, kuryente, office equipment mo,
Okay. Yeah,
supplies.
but to get to the point, there was a senator, I won't mention his name, but in the past, was caught having ghost employees.
Yun na nga. Kasi personal salaries maraming avenues for corruption yung 2.2 million na yan.
Okay.
As you said, Karen, all you have to do is put names there and then pretend that you have paid their salaries, but it all goes to you. Or you can put also additional expenses from MOOE, but it all goes to you. No, you can just use any manner of words there. Ngayon, ang ating punto dito ay ganito. Bawat buwan, meron kang MOOE.
Yeah.
Every year yan. Bakit ngayon, nag-uso sa Senado ng additional MOOE kuno? Binibigay sa Pasko. Sarado ng opisina Tapos ng taon. Pag Enero, meron ka ng 2.2 million for...
for MOOE
That's
ulit.
right.
So why give
That's right.
1.6 plus 250,000 at the end of
That's
the year?
the point.
I see. Very
That's why
good.
making such a big racket about it.
Okay, well, sabi ni Vice President Binay, there was a quote, kaya daw tinawag na Christmas gift kasi it was given on Christmas.
Ayan.